What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video on how I fill my brows. I actually got a request from one of my subscribers to do this video, so if you're interested on seeing how I fill my brows in, then just keep watching. To fill in my brows, I use two things, and then one thing to clean them. First thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in the shade chocolate. I switch between chocolate and brown. Right now I'm using chocolate. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, and this is just to set my brows so that when I wash my face, they don't wipe away. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is, again, brush the brow hairs up. Just like that. We're going to start with the bottom part of the eyebrow, and we're just going to carve out where the brow is going to be. So I just want to carve out the bottom part of the brow. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this brow. So once you have the bottom of your eyebrow outline, we're going to go ahead and outline the top. You just want to brush the hairs to the side and go ahead and carve out the top part of the brow. And then we're going to do this brow. Okay, so once you've outlined both brows, you can start filling it in, and you just want to do little flicks, upward motion. And then follow the shape of the brow towards the tip and start to flick. Bring it this way. Really diffuse the front part of your brow because you don't want it to look so harsh. And it's okay if you spoolie out the top line of the brow. You can always go back and trace it. Once you get your brow the desired color, some people like them dark, some people like them light. I kind of like them in between. You gotta move on to the next brow. Okay, so your brow should look something like this. I know it looks a little crazy right here, but we're going to clean that with concealer. So what I use is the NARS Hot Concealer in the size medium 1 custard to clean out my brows. So I'm just going to dip in there. And you just want to outline the bottom part first. So heavy-handed, just so that you don't make any mistakes. And now you can just go back and fix it. Sometimes I'm in a rush, so I just take my time. Into the other brow. Once you've got the bottom part of your eyebrow done, you can go with a fluffy, just any fluffy brush, and just buff it out. just gonna buff this one up. Then you go back in with your brush that has a little bit of concealer and carve just the outer top part. And again, go in with your fluffy brush and just buff it. Alright guys, and once you're done cleaning it, you just want to set the brow. And there you go. Alright guys, so there you go. That's how I fill in my brows. You can tell they're nice and clean and defined. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!